Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a quick meal option that's made with Muli Paratha and to go with that extremely delicious Boondi Raita. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Muli Paratha and Boondi Raita. Add the grating attachment to the food processor and first we are going to grate some radish. I'm using about 250 grams of radish and these are small ones. I have also peeled the radish and just cut them into two. Food processor really comes in handy to get this done quickly. Finish off the last batch and then you're done. The radish is ready. To this now we'll add some coriander leaves, about half a cup, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 3 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt to taste, I have added about 2 teaspoons. Inch it for 5 to 7 seconds and now it's done. Using the spatula, just take the sides in the middle like this. Inch it for one more time for 2 to 3 seconds and now it's ready. Now we are going to add wheat flour and this is going to be in batches. So first I've added about half a cup and then inch it for about 10 to 12 seconds. Now add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Using the spatula, give it a quick mix like this and notice that the dough is pretty sticky. Now add the second batch of wheat flour, about half a cup, and again inch it for another 10 to 12 seconds. Take out the radish and wheat mixture in a plate. Take about 2 tablespoons of oil in your hand like that and just pour over the radish mixture. Using your hands, just combine and make it into a big dough ball. We really don't need to knead it much since it's already well mixed in the food processor. Now it's ready, just cover it and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now take a lemon-sized dough ball and just dip it in dry flour and we are going to kind of roll it as we do for our chapatis or fulkas, just little thick. Apply some dry flour as needed and then just keep rolling until you are satisfied with the shape and thickness of the paratha. Drop the rolled paratha on the hot tawa. The flame is on the medium high. Cook it on one side for about a minute and now flip it. Some fat is a must on any paratha, so I am applying some Amul butter, but you can also use ghee. Flip it again and now we are going to apply butter on the other side too. Flip it one more time and just press it like that. The paratha is ready. Let's take it out in a plate. Look at that, looks amazing. Just follow the same process and make as many parathas as you need. Muli Paratha is a great breakfast, lunch or a dinner option. They taste delicious and are extremely healthy. The best part about this recipe that I like the most is that we have not used any water to make the dough. We have just used the juices from the radish to make the dough and that's what makes it more delicious. To make the Boondi Raita, here I have taken about half a cup of boondi and to that I have added half a cup of water. We are going to let it soak for about 15 minutes. After about 15 to 20 minutes, the boondi becomes soft. To this now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about 1 cup of yogurt. Beat the yogurt to make it nice and smooth. Give everything a really good mix. Garnish with some coriander leaves and the Boondi Raita is ready. It goes very well with any paratha. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.